Once upon a time, in a bustling village filled with the warm smell of bread, lived a kind baker named John. John was known for his delicious cookies, fluffy pastries, and most importantly, his honesty.
He always measured his ingredients carefully and never cheated on his customers.
Across the square stood Madame Crumble's bakery, a fancy shop with shiny windows and many customers. People whispered that Madame Crumble wasn't quite honest. One day, a strange illness spread through the village and people lost their appetites. John's shelves were full of unsold bread, while Madame Crumble's bakery seemed to be doing just fine. Curious, John peeked through Madame Crumble's window at night. What he saw surprised him. Madame Crumble wasn't biggie at all. She was fiddling with her scales, hiding small weights under a cloth.
With each change, the scale would tip a little more in her favor, giving customers less bread for their money. Madame Crumble was cheating. John was torn.
He didn't like that Madame Crumble was cheating, but he was also afraid of getting into trouble. He confided in his best friend Kavya, a clever girl who loved making toys. Kavya was furious. "We can't let her get away with this," she exclaimed. Together, they came up with a plan. John visited a traveling tinker who made unusual tools. He explained his problem, and the tinker, with a twinkle in his eye, gave him a special set of weights. These weights looked a little lopsided, but the tinker promised they were perfectly balanced. The next day, John displayed his bread at the market with a sign that said, "Honest weights, honest bread." The customers gathered, curious about his claim. John, a little nervous, explained the trick weights. "These weights may look uneven, but they are perfectly fair," he declared, showing how they balanced a loaf of bread. "Honesty is the secret ingredient." The crowd chuckled, impressed by John's cleverness. They appreciated his honesty and started to wonder about Madame Crumble's practices. Soon, everyone was whispering about the honest baker and the crooked scales across the square. Furious at losing customers, Madame Crumble confronted John. "Yeah, silly tricks won't work forever, boy," she hissed.
You can't compete with someone like me.
John stood his ground. "Customers appreciate honesty," he said firmly. "They would rather have fairness than someone cheating them."
Enraged, Madame Crumble hatched a plan. That night, she snuck into John's bakery and tampered with his flour bags, mixing in a strange, bitter powder.
The next morning, disaster struck. People who bought John's bread experienced a horrible taste and stomach upset. Panic erupted in the marketplace.
Devastated, John watched his reputation crumble faster than his bread.
The town guards arrived, alerted to the reports. They marched John to the town hall where the king himself presided over the case. Madame Crumble, dressed in her finest clothes, pretended to be shocked. "Poor John," she said with a fake sweet voice. "I warned him about such risky tricks."
John could barely speak, but Kavya rushed in, pushing through the crowd.
"Wait!" she cried. "This is all a lie. Madame Crumble is behind this." Kavya revealed how she had seen Madame Crumble tampering with the flour bags. The king, a wise man who valued honesty, ordered the guards to search Madame Crumble's bakery. There, they found a bag with the same bitter powder hidden amongst the sacks of flour. The tables had turned. Madame Crumble was exposed for her cheating. The king, furious at her deception, banished her from the marketplace forever. John, cleared of all charges, was hailed as a hero. The townspeople, realizing their mistake, They flocked back to him, appreciating his honesty even more. John's bakery thrived bigger and better than ever. He learned a valuable lesson: honesty, even when challenging, is always the best policy. Madam Crumble, on the other hand, learned that greed can lead to big trouble.